Find square root of 3136 by long division method. Make pair from right hand side to left hand side. This is your first pair, then this is your second pair. So work on this second pair, 31. For 31, take here a number whose square will be equal to 31 or nearest to 31. Okay, so if you take here 5, then 5 squared equal to 25. But if you take here 6, then 6 squared will be 36, which is greater than 31. So our guessing number 5 is correct. Same number will come to the quotient side also. 5 times 5, 25. Subtract, you are getting 6. Bring down the next pair. Okay, this digit, that is that digit you have placed in the quotient, will come under this divisor, and you need to add 5 plus 5, 10. Okay, now you have to take here a number, you have to take here a digit, and same digit will come to the quotient side also, and you need to multiply this time this, and this product will be equal to this 636 or nearest to this. So if you place here 6, okay, this 6 must come here. 6, 6, okay. 6 times 106. 6 times 6, 36. Write 6, carry 3 to the next column. 6 times 0, 0 plus 3, 3. 6 times 1, 6. Look, 636, which is equal to this. So our guessing number 6 is correct. Since you have placed here the digit, look, 6 times 106, 636. Subtract, you are 0. You are getting 0. As our remainder is 0, you are done. Our answer is 56. To check, look, we have placed here the digit 6, so same digit will come under this divisor, and you need to add 6 plus 6, 12. Write 2, carry 1 to the next column. 0 plus 1, 1. No. The double of 56 is 112. This indicates that our result 56 is correct. So the square root of 3136 by long division method is 56.